Matlab has amazing graphing capabilities, and it has basically formed the template for many open source graphing tools out there. In this video, we will show you how to make simple plots using Matlab. We'll go into Matlab's plotting capabilities in detail in later videos. We'll start with a very simple graph of one point, say 2, 3. For ease of recording this video, let's dock this figure window. There's a point marker at 2, 3, which is just really small. Say we want to change it to a circular marker. We would provide an additional argument, which is a string, with the character O. This string is called a control string. You can combine up to 3 elements in that string. They control the color, marker, and the line style. Now say you want to change the marker to an asterisk. And voila, you get an asterisk marker. I can also change the marker color to red instead of blue. And I get a red marker. Now changing the order of the color and the marker information in the control string does not affect the outcome. This just shows it. Now going beyond plotting a single point, we can create a simple join the dots xy plot using the plot function. All we need to do is provide 2 vectors of the same length to the plot function. Say x is 1 to 6 and y is another vector of the length 6. And here I get a plot joining x of 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2, and so on. You can change the color, marker, and the line style by providing a control string, just as you're done when plotting a single point. Here is the list of options for the color, marker, and the line style that go into the control string. You can also get the list from Matlab's help browser by typing in help plot. Now, any plot that you ever make, you would want to label the x and y axis. You can add the x and y labels by using the functions xLabel and yLabel. You can also add a title using the function title. You can also customize the range of your x and y axis using the functions xlim and ylim. This changes the range of my x-axis to 0, 10. Similarly, I can also change the range of my y-axis using ylim. So, how would you plot a function in just the range you are interested in? Say you want to plot sin x in the range 0, 4 pi. First, we'd create, say, 100 equally spaced points between 0 and 4 pi. And the function that you would be using is linspace. So here x is a vector which has 100 equally spaced points between 0 and 4 pi. Y is the vector of corresponding sine values. Plot x, y gives me a sine curve between 0, 4 pi. We can superimpose 2 plots in the same window using the hold command. For example, say we want to plot both sine and cosine on the same window. The command hold on freezes the first plot so that the next plot will be in the same figure window. So I hold on. And plot a cosine curve on the same window. Whenever you're doing multiple plots, you would typically want to add a legend. The function legend takes in strings as its argument and assigns the first string to the first plot, the second string to the second plot, and so on. Now, a valid question to ask at this point would be, what would happen if there are more than one plot commands before you hold off? Let's see what happens. Let's plot sine on a new window. Hold on. plot another sine curve with the different amplitude on the same window. And without holding off, let's make another plot. And it gets plotted onto the same window. So in case you're done making all the plots you want to make on a single window, you should hold off. There's so many more things that you could do with Matlab's plotting capabilities, but this should suffice for your most basic needs.